Hello everyone, welcome to science lecture, and we are going to continue with the chapter sound. Till now we have studied how sound is produced and what are the different mediums through which sound can travel, and also we discussed about the different properties and qualities of sound like frequency, the amplitude, loudness and the pitch of the sound. Today we'll see how are we able to hear sound, how human beings can hear sound. We all know that the organ which is used to hear sound is the ear. So today we'll study the structure of human ear, different parts present in the human ear which help us to hear sound. So basically human ear is divided into three parts: the outer ear, the middle ear and the inner ear. The outer ear is consisting of the ear pinna, the ear canal and the eardrum. The middle ear is consisting of three bones, and the inner ear is having a structure, a coiled structure called as cochlea and the auditory nerves. Once again, see the second figure. Here, as you can see, the pinna, the ear canal and the eardrum. These three structures constitute the outer ear. The middle ear is consisting of this cavity having three different bones named as hammer, anvil and stirrup. Then this middle ear is further continued as inner ear, where this round structure is present known as cochlea, and this cochlea is connected to auditory nerves. So these are the different parts present in human ear. Now let's study about each part in detail, what exactly these parts are doing. First of all, the ear pinna. This is a flap of skin supported by the cartilage. It is a curved part of the ear attached to the head. Its shape, that specific shape it is having, it makes it efficient in collecting and capturing sound waves. And the soft tissue that hangs from the lower part of the auricle or the ear pinna is called as ear lobe. So basically the important function of ear pinna is to collect the sound waves. It collects the sound waves and then it passes it to the ear canal. From ear canal, the sound waves strike this eardrum. So here you can see a small one. This is eardrum, which is a stretched membrane, and this stretched membrane called as eardrum starts vibrating as soon as the sound wave hits on this eardrum. So when the sound waves enter the ear pinna, travel through the ear canal, the sound waves strike on the eardrum and eardrum vibrates, and these vibrations are then further passed on to the next part of the ear, which is the middle ear. Now what is this middle ear consisting of? It is a hollow air-filled cavity consisting of three little bones: hammer, anvil and stirrup. And the function of this part, the middle ear, the important role of the middle ear is to amplify the sound received by the eardrum. So it is only acting as an amplifier. It will amplify the sound and pass it to the next part, that is inner ear. Now what happens in the inner ear? Here what is present? The cochlea, this part. This is a tube shaped like a shell of a snail, which consists of coiled liquid filled tubes that are separated from one another by membranes. Lining of the membranes are specialized hair cells that are sensitive to vibration. It contains actual organ of hearing called organ of Cochlea that receives the sound waves and transmit them to the brain. Now, how do they transmit? The function of cochlea is to receive the sound waves from the middle ear and convert them into nerve impulses, because whatever is going to reach our brain, it always goes in the form of impulses. All the messages from the body goes to the brain in form of nerve impulses, and this is the function of cochlea, to convert